Alright. We have 6.5 pounds of Tannerite and a small apartment refrigerator. Within moments, our marksman's going to blow this up. We are at a very safe distance. No animals or small children were harmed in the filming of this. Here we go.
Ready? Ready? Landed right there. Are you kidding me? It just landed.
Oh, we have pieces over here.
Oh man, that's the cat's ass there, dude.
That is sick. Craziness. Oh, well. Alright.
Dude, that piece just landed.
Too much fun.
You can see, you can see my camera or a piece shot over our heads.
Alright.
See in this video where, come over, get in.